Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman College YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman College Association. And the other day when we did the video on the parts cleaning, we didn't do some really grungy, corroded tools, and people were saying, well, how do we know how well it really works? Well, take a look at these. A lot of these are my dad's original tools from back in the 30s and 40s and 50s, and they're rusty. We're going to go throw them in the parts cleaner, and we'll see how they come out, so stand by. Well, here are the tools. They've now come out of the parts cleaner. They tumbled in the media for a couple of hours. We washed them in soap and water to get all the acrylic dust off of them, and then they've been wiped down with Croil and a small rag. Now, they don't look new, but none of these tools are spring chickens. As a matter of some of these tools are older than I am, and I'm no spring chicken. But it's a great way to clean up a bunch of parts that knocked all the rust and scale off of them. This is back before tools were chromed a lot. You can see that the chrome on the sockets is still there, even though it's been beat up over the years. But for the most part, they look pretty good. And thanks for the inspiration for the shop monkeys from John and Sherry Horton down in Florida, who made me a great spark plug cleaner, and it's just inspired us to look for more shop monkey stuff. But that's how you can clean your tools, knock them all apart, and get everything off of them. Oil them and put them back in your toolbox, especially if you have legacy tools. So we hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.